Hey, finally got our Clearviews. Going to install them now. It looks like it's quite simple, really. From what I can tell, there's 1, 2, 3 screws, and the rest is clipped. So all you have to do is, I'll just turn this camera around, is pull them out, and they're held on by, I don't know if you can see those white clips in there. And they just push into the holes in the door. So basically, you just pull the door skin off, and that can just hang there. So that can just hang there, and then there's 3 nuts. Undo them, unplug that. So that's the mirror. Now, see what they look like when I'm finished. Another tip. Wind the window down. Oh, I forgot. Take that off too. There we go, that's what it looks like. I'll show you. Unclipped. And there you go, you can see those white. They just push into these holes in the door. So yeah, we'll undo that. For 10mm. It'll just come straight off. That's your old mirror. It did say that these were a camera option, I think. Well, that's what Justine said. But they don't have a camera in these ones. So it looks like you could possibly take these out and remount them into the Clearviews, but I'm not going to bother because it's too much hard work. Yeah, these Clearviews, they do weigh a bit more, definitely. Obviously because there's more of them. Just make sure your rubbers are all even. Yep. So there you go. Plug that back into the original harness. Stash that down there. I'll get a bit of a test run to make sure it still works. So now it's just a reverse process. Alright. Oh, with the driver's side, this is a lot. This lead here is longer. Make sure it doesn't drop down the door before you put the skin on. I learned the hard way. There you go, like I bought one. Anyway, that's the finished product. So the potato heads are on. Ew. Yeah, they don't look half bad. I never really liked them, but yeah, they're not that bad. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.